Why has it been so long? What up, everyone? How goes it? How was the day? How was your week? I've had a week, man. I haven't done much. I'll be real with all of you. I've been just relaxing, hanging out, trying to just take care of myself and get things into perspective, if that makes sense. I'm going to turn on some music for you all and be back. But once I get back, we're going to be working on some inventory things. All right. All right. BRB, guys. BR. Oh, it's Chase. Hey, Chase, I gotta go dookie. I'll be right back, okay? I got a dookie pookie. BRB. BRB.
Select a memory card. Why did this have to happen? The train headed for the Mystic Ruins will be departing soon.
The dookie's in my hat. There's no dookie in my hat, you dookie. You dookie. By the way, what's up, everyone? How goes it? How goes it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Chase Lee likes Stinky. I'm joking. Chase Lee's a great guy, super smart. Hope you're still working on that game of yours, man. Fragments of yesterday. You haven't dropped any leaks in a while. I'd like to see some. No, I don't, dude. You don't gotta lie to kick it, bro. You don't have to lie to kick it, my friend. And what's up with this music? What is up with this music? I sent leak. Okay. No one look at that. Oh, look, get away. No. Don't tell him, Daddy. Don't tell him. You know, man, I've been feeling like utter garbage this entire week until I got this mango smoothie. Until I got this mango smoothie, chat. I'm telling you, there's something good here. Mm. Mm. Mm 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 mm. So yeah, today we're working on an inventory and the resources. Can this music not mess with me so much? I'm trying to find, like, can I put it on like 0.01? Maybe that'd be dope if there was like a variable value I could tweak in there to get like a desired result. By the way, guys, I'm also hanging out in the Discord if you want to come in and chill and talk. That is definitely a possibility. At the moment, I'm just chilling today. It's a Friday, end of the week, right? It is end of the week. Let's actually see if we have any bugs here. But essentially, the idea is that on begin play here, which I don't think I have access to, notify active begin play, boom. We're actually going to take the audio component. We're going to set sound down here. We're gonna, what did I create? Was it sound wave? What I resource, was it pickup sound? That's why I put sound. I thought it would do the thing. Pickup sound. What did I name it? What did I name it? That's not the right one. That's the actor. Holy cow. Resource pickup. Okay, you guys are gonna have to stop doing this to me, okay? I know you're loading up and doing all that, but this just ain't right. The boy ain't right. The boy ain't right. Pickup sound. So we set up the pickup sound when that happens, and then we just play. I don't think we need to add anything here besides, you know, 0, because that's when we want the start time to be. And even then, I think it defaults to 0. Yeah, equals 0. Defaults to 0 if nothing is here. Sorry, I was doing like some super big brain maths. Chase Lee, I can't believe you're in here, dude. Where you at? What have you been doing today, dude? Where you been? Where have you gone? You disappeared, bro. You're like, you were gone for forever, dude. It feels like you actually went into exile. But I didn't even put you into exile. You put yourself into exile, dude. Would you watch freaking Clone Wars? It was like, I must put myself into exile. Toys for Bob. Oh man, you with a girl, my man out here doing the days with a girl. Okay, I feel it. I feel it, man. Good for you. Good for you, my friend. What's not good is it's not loading. What? Boy, I know sometimes you're jealous. Don't tell me you're jealous of Chase Lee, okay? Don't be jealous, dude. Just be full of love, right? Be full of love. I bet you I broke something right now. Knowing my luck. Knowing my stupid, dumb luck. That's exactly what happened. Hurry up and load everything. Process fatal error. We have a fatal error. It says create default subobject. Well, I already know what it is. It's this right here. Create default subobject. How is this happening? Why is this an error? Look back at your memories. I don't want these guys to see my memories. What you do is not good. I never knew Scottish people could fall in love. They can't fall in love. They get more cocky when they're in love, man. I mean, look at Chase. He's I'm full of love. He's like, yeah. See him? Was it enough to make you break dance into a handstand? Because if not, I don't know how to react to that, dude. I don't know if you're fully in love. So why is creating this audio component an issue for this? Huh? Is it because I set up the attachment? Is that what it is? It's like you can't set up attachments. He's like, well, true, but still. I feel that. I feel that, my friend. No, I'm happy for you, man. It's Peppigen. Hey, Peppigen. How's it going, bro? How was your day? Welcome to the stream, my friend. We have a fatal crash error because we're trying to create an audio component. We're trying to create an audio component. And apparently it's null. And it's like, yeah, well, I'm trying to create one. Components, audio component. How? Is there any other audio components? Audio. I guess maybe I already had an audio component. I don't remember adding a class to this. And to be quite frank, I feel like that's probably one of the primary issues. Wait. No, it was in my pickup that this is happening. Here. Do I try to create something in here? Yeah, I do. I have multiple audio components. That's why. No. We want that. No! I'm so confused. So we have the resource actor. We're just going to get rid of the resource actor. Because the resource actor is just not, it's not. It doesn't matter. We're worried about the pickup at the moment, and apparently it's upset because I'm trying to create this. Oh! I can't believe it's mad at me for trying to create a thing here. Let's try, maybe we had one already and we didn't know. Maybe we had one and didn't know. Why no cam? I don't know, man. I don't feel like being on the camera. I just don't feel like it recently. I've been having somewhat I just haven't been having the best of week. I've been having a very calm, chill week, just trying to refocus, you know, get close to God, stuff like that. He's like 16 soon. I'm so cool. I'm gonna be 16. Didn't you just turn 15 this year? Can't be 16 soon if you just turned 15 this year, okay? Light No Fire just messaged me. Light No Fire news. Is Light No Fire already out? Yeah, it's not even out. What the heck? Last year it came out. Are you memeing on me, you little turd? Is that what you're trying to do here? You're trying to meme on the memer? I am the memer. I've essentially... Oh, collision. Well, we don't want to do a little bit of collision. Audio component. For one. For two, I have no idea as to why this is giving me this particular issue. I don't know if it's because... yeah, now it's loading pre-default. What if I click play and just keep clicking play? Play. Oh, it just crashes. Okay. It just crashes. Great. Well, let's, how are we going to play our music on here then? Last year. I still don't know what that means, man. I still don't know what this means. Look, now it's like gonna be, oh, we're fine. You can always create an audio component and there's never an issue. Object item is not an issue. Yeah, see, now it's fine. Now it's got no issue. It's just big chillin'. Crazy. What if I compile this now? While we're here. What if I just do this now, huh? I'm creating this. Yeah, it's not like I'm... Yeah, process. Fatal error. Now we're... It's just saying 29. Create default sub-object. Crazy. That is different. But we need the audio component in it. That's what I've called it, component in it. Component. Did I spell that right? I don't know. I spelt it right. Components. Yeah, I wonder why this is a issue. I mean, that's literally what you do. I'm gonna eat more. I ate 5 magnums today. Magnums? What's a magnum? What? Isn't that a freaking bullet, bro? Magnum food. Magnum ice cream? Is that what you're talking about? You had Magnum ice cream? This? You had one of them? One of these? More is more. What? Okay, I can't. What type of advertisement is that? More is more. Thank you. Thank you for the mind-boggling revelation. 5? Yeah, you had 5 sticks? Shoot. Well, if you gotta eat, bro's gotta eat, bro. A bro's gotta eat, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? Let's see if we even have an audio component on here, but I could add audio, right? I could add an audio component. I can attach this anywhere. It should be that simple, but apparently when we go to add or to do this, we get a big fat issue. Components / audio components. Hashtag include audio component. Audio component dot generated build wins. You audio component. I'm sorry, but these songs are kind of making me feel weird. You know? Like I felt weird listening to them. Let's listen to like some Streets of Rage, lo-fi metaverse mix in HD. Hey. Okay, my energy. Fry tea. Oh, it's safe. Welcome to the stream, safe. How's it going, my friend? Yeah, I mean, that is the thing. But I keep getting a fatal error whenever I try to add it. Unreal Engine crashes when I create default sub-object audio component. What are you doing now? I'm working on the inventory system. Okay, we get it. Okay. Use static mesh component. Maybe I'm creating the wrong thing. U audio. Yeah, it is an audio component. Why is it playing with my soul like this? Maybe I need to name it something else. Audio. That's what we'll call it. We're going to call it audio. Maybe that's what's wrong. Maybe it's like, yo, you're using a bad name and it's making our brains hurt. Maybe that's literally what it is. It could be. That's what I'm hoping. Because, you know, there should be no audio. Yes, let's add the include, please. Add the include definition for that. And I believe it's up here as well. Or we didn't have to do that. I don't know why we have class. You're not, don't even get him started on that. Don't even do it, dude. Yeah, don't do that, dude. He's gonna start being like crazy man in here. Next thing you know, we'll see nothing but emoji men in the chat. But at least I won't be as lonely. At least I won't be as lonely, right? All right. I don't think that's gonna work, but I kind of want to see the error again. I just don't. We get to a point where I just don't care. It's always something ridiculous. Compiling C++ code. Pepsin make man. Oh, that's true. That's true. It is just audio now. It is just audio now. The audio. Audio. Oh. Might want to do that. Might want to do that. By the way, guys, make sure to like the stream, alright? Make me feel good, okay? Make me feel good. You debug, break in prompt for remote. Create default up subjob, and then it breaks. It has to do with this, creating the default subobjects. Exception encountered, default my pickup. Interesting. Create default sub object. Now it's Peppigen. What is this? What is this green man? Are you making the Hulk? Fatal exception. Try to debug my product. You tried making your full body safe and you kept messing it up, dude. How dare you? Safe, why would you do that? Nah, I'm getting tired.
Hello.
Yo, what up, man? I'm doing good, I mean. Sound like you came in like the wind, bro. It was like, and then you're like, hello. Hello.
Yeah,
How's it going, man?
actually, I'm busy right now. I just wanted to tell you to not let you alone here waiting for someone to join.
Oh, that's nice of you, man. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much open for anyone to join, you know, so I guess people just don't like talking to me anymore. I'm unloved,
Yeah.
uncared for. It's okay. But no, I'm not, because you're here. This is why I like you, man. You're a good
Yeah, but
person.
I told you that I'm busy with. I'm busy making something that I
Oh,
need to.
what are you making?
A Discord bot that plays music. That plays music based on your query that you put in. It displays the list that you select from, and it plays that audio from that that input. Yeah, so
Okay, that sounds like pretty cool.
yeah.
I won't type till you're done. I'm gonna make one in docs and then post it fast, but you can't type. So I won't make emoji, man. Well, let's see if having root component as the attachment is what led to the destruction. Nope, that it's still breaking. Ah.
As I told you, I'm busy, so
Yeah, man, I
go.
appreciate you coming in. If you want, you can stay and mute yourself or do whatever you want. Apparently, I'm creating.
So
Go ahead.
good luck.
Thank you, my friend.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Have a good day.
I will. Same to you, okay? Thank you for stopping in, bro.
Thanks.
Oh, that's what I'm doing
Yep.
wrong. Bye, man. That's what I'm doing wrong. I'm not equaling it to. See, here we're equaling it. It's like I've already essentially I'm calling that's what it was. It was like I was calling a function instead of actually equaling it to a new object. So that was the issue. Yeah, we can't live about emotion. Yes, I'm yawning. Sue me. Sue me. But now, hey, it works. Look at us. We're back in action. And we're better than ever. We're more clever. We have big brain. Okay, cool. Now you guys can hear the super cool noise that I have for this. I have a really good noise. You're going to love it. You're going to absolutely love it. Let me show you. If I can just find it. You know what? Pickups. Check out this noise, boys. Check out this noise, boys. Asking questions only when it's questions time. And to ask, raise hand emoji. Yeah, I'm going to start requesting that you guys raise your hand before you speak to me. This would show me the proper respect I deserve. But other than that, here's our pickup noise. Isn't that dull as heck? Huh? Don't you just love how dull that is? I want it to be like we'll find something that works, but I just want to start getting this set up. Don't want to close all those. I believe these should play when we pick it up. Are you sure you want to play your blueprints have unresolved compile errors? Wooden dispenser. Wooden box. I don't, yeah, play an editor. It didn't work. Blueprint compile error. You know what that probably is? I don't know why we're getting a compile error. Anyways, compile is missing a null parent. Well, I apologize, but if I wanted to, like if I went to class settings and put resource actor or actor of any kind, we'll see we don't get any of that. It won't let us select it, so we have to remake it. I don't even know where RV whatever it is. RV underscore wood box. Oh yeah, wooden box. Let's just delete that. And then get rid of RV wood. Right. So what should be happening is on begin play. We don't set that up on begin play. I thought I did that. Resource pickup. That's where it's at. Yeah. Yeah, see, we set the sound. But the issue is that we haven't set the sound. Sound. Pick up sound. We got sound here. We can do the sound. Pick up. Compile. Let's play. Dude, don't you love it when it doesn't play the sound? Pepperchin, 2 more and you're suspended from safe school. 1 more. Suspended. Paul, he's making Emoji Man, so now I continue my lecture. No spamming yellow. So what do you guys know about permaculture? Making one for you. All right, guys, here's first rule. If Mod says something, listen to Mod. Right? I know whatever you're doing could be completely lighthearted and probably not bad, but if Mod doesn't like something, just please respect them. Respect the title and listen to what they have to say. Yeah. Yeah. I know you were making an Emoji Man for me. It's fine. It's fine. But if they're feeling like there's too much chatter in quick succession, they're gonna say something. You know, we had this guy named Safe who just come in and he just type and type and type and type. He would just type 24/7, bro. And then, you know, they had to time that guy out like a 1,000 times. Oh, wait, he's in here. Hey, Safe. How's it going, bro? How's it going, dude? Wasn't just talking about you. I used to spam. We're doing that right now. Okay, so why is this not working? Right? That should just play. It's simple. Play. See that, guys? That should be how simple this is. I love how he does not care what I was just talking about and says, can we talk about permaculture? Or hear my lecture? Sure, let's hear your lecture, but try to keep it condensed to at least 1 or 2 sentences, okay? Or paragraphs. I don't care, as long as it's in the same body of text, all right? That's all I ask. That's the only thing I request from you. Okay? Okay? We have the pickup sound. Oh, set sound. Then when we pick up in here, we should play. You know what it is? It's this probably. This isn't working. So is able to be used. True. Else used equals false. Hmm. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. What do you know about permaculture? I don't know about any of that, dude. You know, I focus primarily on making games and contemplating my life. I mean, worked on that. It worked great, and it's because this one needs this needs the pickup sound. Pick up. Pick up. They're gonna make them when they first. Gosh, I hate that sound so much. For what we're doing. Actually, everything. What if I want a lecture? What about what I want, Peppigen? What about me? I believe we have a reference, yeah, here to our player. Get first player controller. Get owner. Get character. If this equals our player, then, you know, we'll play the sound. I don't like it when it bounces. It's like. Permaculture is the future of farming. It's when an ecosystem that is self-sustaining is made for the purpose of farming sustainable. It's used for reforestation and farming sustainability. Do you have? He's not doing anything this time though. Be nice to save. He condensed it for us. Look, now they're all in the same thing. I just hope he doesn't have another paragraph. Permaculture was made by Italian scientists in 1985 and revolutionized by Geoff Lawton, an expert on permaculture, who teaches it in his research institutes in Australia. Cool. Cool. Oh. Now, one of these is not playing, and it's making me mad. Now it plays. I wonder why it didn't play prior. And I wonder why these get triggered. Probably because I don't have these set to like resources or something. I know I had like a something for that. I plan to use permaculture to fix Burr to Will and questions on it. No. No questions. Bing bing. Ba-ding. I still want that to just feel better. You know, when I pick up something, I want to feel like I just picked up the key to the universe. Right? Like I want to feel like complete bliss and happiness. But I don't feel that right now. And on top of that, when it overlaps with, you know, if other actor equals this, you know what? We're gonna do this. What the heck? Okay, I mean, it worked. It worked. But it's playing the sound again for another reason. I wonder why that is. Is there anywhere else that we're playing the audio? I mean, we set the sound to this at the beginning. Right? You know what it could be is that on here, right? In the sound, I have this set to something. So maybe because it's set and it just automatically, yeah. I hate when it does that. I hate when it does that. But now that one doesn't make a sound. Why is that? We also have to fix this little pickup thing. But yeah, we have this and we have this. Right? Ended from Professor Safe the Third. Nice. That's actually a pretty cool name. Pretty cool name. The Third. Why is it always the third? If it's the second, no one cares to say it unless it's the third. You know? You know? I will say though, I don't know why. I could have sworn I fixed this. I fixed this. I fixed this. I know what's happening. I know what's happening, and it has to do main character, animations, character, BP Judah Anim. Play walking. So we play, and then we report the noise. Or we play this when we play. So we play, and then we play the trigger. Interesting. Unfinished. Wonder if that's... Trigger executed. I know we can tap into that. We can tap into that, but just for the sake of experimentation, unfinished or finished or what is it? Set variable value. No, none of that. But yeah, I've been kind of just everywhere recently. See how it just plays once? It's like there's too many. Beep, beep. Doesn't work. Even though I have it set as play. Maybe it's because they're the same ones. Yeah, I love lectures. Let's turn the music back on. Works great when they're like really close together, but if I were to do that, one doesn't work, right? If I pull this closer and... Oh, that works. Why does a wood one work? Yeah, Safe does seem like a co-professor. Play multiple instances. I'm trying to think why this is doing this. It's always something really, like, and when you find it out, it's never satisfying. It's like, there we go. This guy works great. Why aren't you working great? What's your issue? I mean, they're same. It's interesting because they didn't work prior, now they do. Let's duplicate like 50 of these. There's like this one little area where it's like, we don't want to, you're not going to hear anything. Isn't that weird? Isn't that weird? Am I the only one who's like, that's not weird at all? That, you know, that thinks that is weird. Let's see. Works great. But you, it doesn't work in that area. What? Why doesn't it work there? That's crazy. That is insane to me. Like, even if I were to take this guy and just move him a little bit, what happens if we move him? What's going on here, man? Is it because of this guy?
He's still alone.
Huh?
He's still alone.
Yeah.
I was watching a soccer match. I mean, I am.
You were watching a soccer match? Is that why you're busy? That's
Yeah.
what you wanted to tell me?
No, no, no.
Is that what you wanted to tell me?
Buzzing,
You want to hurt my feelings like this?
no, bro, it was busy and then got to watch the match.
Sorry, I'm trying to see, like... What has to do with this thing? Why does this have anything on it? Overlap all dynamic? Shouldn't this just have no collision? No collision. Block. That guy needs to fix that. Looks like my my Twitter stream is dropped.
Oh, are you streaming on Twitter too?
Yeah, but it looked like it dropped. It's not now.
Oh, are you streaming on Twitter? Okay, I mentioned
Yeah,
some
but it
people
looked like it
to
dropped.
come and join you here.
Oh, I guess it picked back up. It looked like it dropped for a bit. It's relatively interesting. I'm the main professor. No, I think Peppagen is. I'm gonna head out. I'll be back. Okay, see you when you get back, bro. Today for dinner, I had a Don kebab sandwich. It was very filling, delicious, flavorful, and cheap. Do you like love rubbing in good food? Like you guys are always like, we're eating these kebabs and all this. It's like, bro, Misa wants that, sir.
We don't always do that.
Yes, you do. You guys always talk about all the good food you eat, bro, and it's making me jealous. I'm gonna go cry really quick. I'll be right back.
Okay, see you. I mean, see you later.
I just ran to get water. I'm back. I'm back. And I'm not on crack. But yeah, it looks like it just was an issue with collision. Oh, they do have a flanger. Center delay. Put 2, huh? Mix level. Trying to see. It's so hard to get any of these things with a reverb. Brother just wants a reverb. They don't have like reverb, see? You have to make like a side chain effect of some sorts. SFX. Let's actually go to. It was very well wrapped. It contained like 1,000. It filled me up to the max. It's top notch level food, man. Well, I'm gonna have to have a kebab when I come. If I ever go to that area, I have to get one of them kebabs. Only $10.89. Did you do the conversion for me like a gentleman, or do I need to do the conversion?
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to Safe. He said it cost $10.89, and I need to know if that's the converted.
You on Twitter. I will join you on Twitter.
Thank you.
Because nobody want to join you on Discord.
Yeah, no one wants to talk to me
What's
today,
it
man. No one wants to talk to me, bro. No one likes me anymore. Reverb effect. What the heck? Reverb.
Tell him if he's not watching the match.
Oh, he's watching, but he's being a stinker. He's being a stinker.
Wait.
Wait, so how do I use this reverb effect?
Yeah, you got the live podcast.
Effect. So I have source effect chain.
Oh, wait, they can't hear me?
Yeah, they can hear you.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This thing way too filling for way too cheap. Converted using Google. Dang.
You're
Dude, $10.89, that's still expensive, bro. How much do you have to pay for it? They got phaser, wave shaper, filter, EQ, envelope, dynamic, chorus, preset. Oh, they got a chorus preset? So what? Do I do that? No, I don't. How do I add these to the thing? There's got to be a way. No. Just let me bring it in, bro. Why do they must all be meta sounds? What is this? Reverb effect. They got these effects, bro, but I can't use them.
What are you up to today?
I'm just working on the inventory a little bit. Meta sounds.
Yeah, I saw your post on Twitter.
Yeah, I'm just working on inventory a little bit, but eventually I'm gonna get back to some other things. But right now, I just felt the desire to do this: sound field, submix, endpoints, meta sounds, patch,
Yeah, but
preset chain. So we need a chain. I don't know.
inventory systems are pretty hard to make. I always get in trouble while making inventory systems.
You do?
Yes, I hate them.
You're making a ton of, you know. I think well, one. No.
Wait. How about right?
0.5. I mean, it's
okay right now.
It's kind of
It's the same.
You're kind of coming in and out.
Like 2 times. It repeats.
Yeah, I really need someone to come in and do sound stuff for the game.
Wait, let me. I have to go back and watch rematch.
Whatever. We got a simple noise. We can mess with that more. The point is that we need to start getting these things set up. Helicopter Lee! Where is Chase Lee? He's hanging out with a lady, my homie, Chase Lee, chilling with a lady. Okay, so now we just need to essentially, if I could, we need to, from what I know, create, we have in our code, no, we got rid of it. What is the button for that setting? Keybinds. Terminal. Tools. Terminal. Emap. Header. Alto. So when we pick these up, we essentially need to tell the player controller to add this to their inventory, which means we're gonna have to go to the main character and add this component, which I'm so afraid to do. What am I doing? There's so many freaking things on this. I don't know why I do all that. Okay, now that we have the inventory system set up, inventory component made, the inventory system created. So now that we have that created, we can get the our player. Did I cast? Oh, I need to cast. It's gonna be another if. We're going to pass on our player. Hogwash my lecture? I mean, you chased Peppigen away, man. You chased them away, bro. Just you need a little bit more finesse with the lectures, you know? You gotta use bigger words. And you gotta wear a monocle when you do it. You just don't sound fancy enough, you know? So I know I set this up to... Sorry. So we just need a resource pickup item. So I literally just put this. And that should be sufficient. But I want to double check this really quick. So essentially what we've done is we have a T map that has an index. Because I felt like that might be able... Because I want to be able to drag and drop and move things around inside of the inventory. I think that might be a little too much, maybe, for like what we're creating. So I might refactor and degrade to that in the future, depending on how I feel. But I want to create things with the idea that maybe and possibly in the future when people collect, if there's like too many things in a map and somebody collects enough of it, they'll want to like maybe discard something for something else, right? Which is easy enough if you just move it out of your backpack, but I want to be able to have a way to just click that. And essentially the way I'm going about it is what it really stores is it stores a slot inside of that area. And what contains inside of a slot is a resource item, or this is a data table. I don't think this will be necessary. But essentially it holds where are you? Sorry guys. This has not been a good week for me. Where is Judah inventory? Okay, Judah inventory item is it. So this is essentially a slot. I should change this to slot so it makes a little bit more sense. But this is the item that's going to be in the slot. The slot is going to hold this item, and within this item is going to be contained a resource pickup, which I don't know if that's a good idea. I think it maybe for when we pull it out, we can like literally just spawn that into the world and like shoot it out somewhere. But yeah, we have an amount and a max amount that we can set. Honestly, I don't even think we need the amount. We just need a max amount, because if we have anything in bulk, we can just make that like one of that thing. And then, you know, if we were to do that, we'd have to go into some like type of like crafting, decrafting, or salvaging system, essentially. So, I'm trying to think in regards to like UI. What we have right now is just like a regular, you know, whip. You know, this is gonna be on phone, but I should probably turn on what's it called? Project setting, mouse's cursor or whatever. Mouse's cursor. Mouse. Capture mouse on launch. Use mouse for touch. That's true. How to see mouse in Pi. Show mouse control label. I don't know if it's like something you put like push shift F1 in here. But that releases it kind of. That's interesting. Like when I click on these, but the idea is you can like drag and drop, you know, move stuff, pull it out, yada yada. But then we run into other issues where, like, obviously these things will be repickable. Like, you can repick them up. So maybe I have, like, a trash function for it. I don't know. Don't worry with the whip sound right now. I just have something there to indicate I can replace it later. I do think like someone mentioned like having like the actual sound of that material, like wood would sound like wood when you pick it up, leaves like leaves, but we'll see. We will see. Yeah, the inventory is going to be a very difficult thing. I don't know how other people have used it in the past. I want to say that you just literally, I don't know, drag and drop and UE5.
futuristic
Let's see what other people have done.
characters with the most intuitive.
Sorry, I gotta turn off the music really quick, guys.
Drop widget. First thing we gotta do is right click. Go user interface, widget blueprint, user widget, and call this BP draggable widget. And then duplicate it.
All I know is that like my experience with drag and drop is in Unity, and in there there's like
It could be
specific
anything
functions you can
you wanna
call
move
that
around. It could be
lets items
number,
interpret
anything. Hit
clicks.
enter. Duplicate it once again.
So I don't know if that's the same case
BP
here. I don't care,
Drag
dude.
drop. Select it. Press select. And then name this BP underscore widget drag. The names will kind of get confusing because we have widget drag and draggable widget. So as long as you sort of keep the names the same for now, you should be able to keep up with them.
So what I'm thinking of is we have a widget that you can click and drag, and then this widget drag is spawned on the position of the touch when dragged to give the illusion, but not
Our next
necessarily.
step is to go ahead and open up the BP widget drag, and then over here in the
Not good. What's not
list,
good?
we are going to create a new variable and just call this BP widget ref, and then instead of a boolean, we want to search for user widget and make it an object. Next, we want to come over here and make it instance editable, and then expose on spawn. So now we want to come back over here, create another variable called and go ahead and progress bar. There's no by rename mine function overrides. So
Chase says he's in exile from the
and list
Discord.
of
We gotta wait
functions
until he feels better and
should
comes
pop
back
up. You
from
want to search
exile.
for on mouse button down, which is right here. And then you want to click again and do on drag detected, which is right here. Alright, we are going to start in the on mouse button down. So go back to that. Alright, so now we need to convert the health bar value to local space so that the mouse and the widget location can talk with one another and figure out whenever you are clicking to drag it and where you want to drag it to. So off of my geometry, drag off of this and search for absolute to local. There's a node specifically designed for this. And then on the mouse event, this is basically our
So we just get the
So drag
mouse
off of
event
this
or
and
the
do
touch event.
get screen space position.
Yeah, that's simple
And then
enough.
plug it up right here. And now we can promote this value to a variable so we can use it elsewhere. And I am going to name this drag detect and add a create widget node like this. And over here we are going to search for drag
Okay, so he is doing that.
widget right here. And from here we are going to connect our execute pin up. And you notice we got a new value set down here. This is exactly what we need. It should be get a reference to self and plug that in. And then once again, promote this to a variable so we can use it later. And call this dragged widget because this is the widget that we pick up. Alright, so now that we have the widget we want to drag, we want to come over here and this to be mouse down. Essentially want the pivot.
Create BP widget drag. Drag offset.
Does is it determines where the drag widget will appear. So if the pivot is on the mouse down, then it will be centered around the mouse essentially. Alright, so now that we have all that set up, and then execute and connect the of it. So now we can compile and save this blueprint. So to do that, for canvas panel, drag this in, and we have to change some settings on this canvas panel. So select it, and come over here, and this visibility is what we need to change. Create a new widget whenever we drag, then whenever we release, then our mouse will be in the main HUD. So we have to make it visible so that the mouse can detect the HUD, essentially. And there should be ours that we created right here. And go ahead and drag out a BP health bar. As you can see, it's already the size that we wanted it at earlier. It's like a rectangular shape. Alright, so now that we have everything set up properly, we have our health bar in off of this operation. We need to do cast to BP widget drag right there. And off of this, we need to set. Don't want this file to invert the position, and then drag this into that of where our and this top value is on bottom. And this next sequence is kind of long, so I will explain it and say add to viewport right here. Drag this up, connect that, and then drag off
so it
once
just
again and do set position in viewport. Connect this up to the executable, disable that, and then we can over here we can open up drag a size into the size box. This size box, its name is sorta important, so rename this to widget size, and as well we need to set is variable to true. And we will also be overriding its dimensions, so check width override and height override. So now go to your border over here and drop down brush color. Set it to 2. We can't remove that. And then this will be our widget, the return right click and these up for the our character. So right click how to set up a HUD. It doesn't really view, click and do get off. You could set that up, but as of right now the project will just automatically show this. Alright, so now we can ours over here. If we click, a little shadow appears and we can drop it down right over here. We click again, we can drop it down right here. And as you can see, it stays there. We can drag, drop it right there. And see what I mean by the mouse is just constantly on the screen? Say you have a settings menu that lets you customize UI.
okay.
Subscribe for more.
Sweet. I will. At least I know now we have to do some stuff with faking this a little bit. Beforehand, I would literally just grab something, change its scale, and then move it, and then set it. But it looks like things are done a little bit different here in Unreal Engine. But yeah, I'm going to get into that later. I am going to end the stream here. I know we've only been streaming for about an hour and 23 minutes, but I'm taking this week a little bit slow and getting my self recalibrated for next week. So other than that, guys, I will see you next week. Y'all have a beautiful day. Chase Lee, I'm super happy for you, man. I hope your relationship continues to grow, and everything's good at school. Same goes to Amin. Hope everything's good at school. Safe, Pepijin, all you guys, y'all are the best. Thank you for showing up. Much love to each and every single one of you guys. God bless.